Hello there!
Nakanood na ba ang lahat ng entries ng MMFF 2025? Or tamang antay na lang sa streaming platforms? Ganon din naman ako before until from previous years, talagang may quality na ulit ang nilalabas silang MMFF entries. Kaya worth it na ulit panoorin. You don't need to watch them all naman. You just choose which one yung feel nyo and yung interesado kayo. Just like me and my BFF, nag-cinema hopping pa nga po. 3 movies in one day. Pero I really enjoyed and worth it naman for me. Quick share lang of thoughts sa mga napanood namin pero personal opinion ko lang naman to. First, we watched Unmarry. Maganda at may lesson naman ang movie. I like na nilighten na yung atmosphere since it's a very sensitive yung topic and it's about annulment. Pero na-expect lang ako na matindi since comeback ni Angelica. Akala ko matinding drama. Pero nagulat na lang ako na ang daming comedy sa movie, which is not a bad thing. Next is Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Legal Origins. I liked how it has a flow kahit tatlong series yung movie. Meaning, in the end, all stories are connected. May mga dull moments lang. May mga skip parts sa ibang scenes. Pero grabe the effects. Sobrang linas ng execution. Yes, it's entertaining, lalo na if to compare sa previous SRR films. Sadyang kulang pa ng horror factor for me. Lastly, ang tumurok na matindi sa puso ko, Call Me Mother. Naririnig ko naman na maganda yung film, pero iba yung tama at tagos kapag ikaw na mismo yung nakapanood. This movie will make you realize a lot. And I applaud kung paano nila inatake yung iba't ibang serious topics sa bansa, especially the adoption legalities. And personally, Vice Ganda deserves that award. If to compare yung acting niya sa And the Breadwinner is last year, mas damang-dama mo at napaka-natural na dito sa Call Me Mother. Kaya naman wasak, basag at hagulgul po during the confrontation scenes. Napaka-cliche to say support Filipino films. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, mahirap din ma-prioritize yun. Kaya if may extra lang at tingin mo gusto mo talaga yung movie, then why not? Sana nang tuloy-tuloy na yung quality movies na nilalabas sa MMFF every year. Kaya habang available pa sa cinemas, habol na to watch. O siya. Hanggang susunod na movie date natin. Kita-kits ba?